How to create Notion homepage. If you want to create and customize your own homepage on Notion, then follow this instruction. First, make sure that you have downloaded Notion on your phone. If you are iPhone user, simply go to App Store and download this app from there. And if you are Android user, go to Play Store and install Notion on your phone. After you have downloaded it, simply click on search and open Notion. Now make sure to log into your account before creating homepage on Notion. After that, you can see your profile name on the top. Simply click on it. Now you can see three dot option just beside your Gmail ID. Click on it and click on join or create workspace. Now choose the option that you prefer or which you want to use Notion. After that, click on next. Now you can select some of the areas of your interest, or you can also click on this skip button on the top right corner. Now it may take some time to customize your homepage. After that, click on this next option. Again, now click on get started. So here you can see that I have customized or created my new homepage on Notion. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.